Okay, I'm gonna see if you can hear me, and you can see a little bit of the road coming out of Vogel, heading towards Kings Mountain, which will take some time. But I thought you might like to see what the road is like. This is pretty wide right here, lined with trees. Lots of curves. I'm ready for the next adventure. Did laundry, got everything set. So next stop is Kings Mountain. I won't record the whole way because I think it's about 3 hours there. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what these roads were like. I've got motorcycles behind me who want me to go faster, but I'm not. And I hope I'm speaking loudly enough so you can hear me. There they go. Oops, that person wants to pull in here, I guess. Okay, I'm going to continue the trip. Talk to you later.